Hey everyone, imagine having the power to transform your visuals at your fingertips. Introducing Image FX AI. This revolutionary tool is designed to bring your creative ideas to life with just a few clicks. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, Image FX AI is here to elevate your visual content to new heights. This revolutionary tool brings your creative ideas to life with just a few clicks. Imagine the possibilities when you can effortlessly turn your concepts into stunning visuals. From digital art to intricate designs, Image FX AI makes it all possible. Let's dive into how Image FX can elevate your work in film, gaming, and advertising. Each of these industries demands high-quality visuals, and Image FX AI delivers just that. Whether you're working on a blockbuster film, an immersive game, or a captivating advertisement, this tool has got you covered. In the film industry, Image FX turns ordinary footage into cinematic masterpieces. Imagine being able to enhance every frame with dynamic lighting, realistic weather effects, and stunning color grading. Your films will look more professional and visually appealing, capturing the audience's attention from start to finish. Imagine taking a simple landscape shot and transforming it into an epic scene straight out of a blockbuster. With Image FX, you can add depth, drama, and a touch of magic to every shot. The possibilities are endless, and the results are nothing short of spectacular. Dynamic lighting, realistic weather effects, and stunning color grading, all done effortlessly. These features allow you to create a mood and atmosphere that enhances your storytelling. Whether it's a sunny day or a stormy night, Image FX AI makes it easy to set the scene. Your audience will be captivated from the first frame to the last. Next up, gaming. The gaming industry is all about creating immersive experiences, and Image FX AI helps you achieve that with ease. Gamers, get ready to be blown away. With Image FX, you can create hyper-realistic graphics that immerse players in your world. Every detail from character movements to environmental textures is enhanced to provide a more engaging and lifelike experience. With Image FX, you can create hyper-realistic graphics that immerse players in your world. Imagine a game where the characters' movements are so fluid, it feels like watching a movie. The level of detail and realism you can achieve will leave players in awe. Imagine a game where the characters' movements are so fluid it feels like watching a movie. The seamless integration of animation and visual effects makes every action scene more thrilling and every storyline more compelling. Or environments so detailed, players can almost feel the textures. The immersive quality of the game worlds you create will keep players coming back for more. Every rock, tree, and building will look and feel incredibly real. Level up your game design and keep players coming back for more. The enhanced visuals will not only attract new players but also retain existing ones, ensuring your game remains popular and engaging. And let's not forget advertising. In the fast-paced world of marketing, standing out is crucial. Image FX AI helps you create eye-catching visuals that grab attention and leave a lasting impression. In the fast-paced world of marketing, Image FX helps you stand out. Whether it's a billboard, a digital ad, or a social media post, the quality of your visuals can make or break your campaign. Create eye-catching visuals that grab attention and leave a lasting impression. High-quality product shots, dynamic special effects, and creative designs will make your advertisements unforgettable. From product shots with perfect lighting to jaw-dropping special effects that make your ads unforgettable, the right visuals can significantly boost your brand's visibility and appeal. Engage your audience and boost your brand like never before. But wait, there's more. Image FX isn't just for professionals, it's designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible to everyone. Image FX isn't just for professionals, it's perfect for amateur filmmakers, hobbyists, and anyone who loves creating digital art. The intuitive interface ensures that even beginners can produce professional quality visuals. It's user-friendly, making it accessible to everyone. The easy-to-navigate interface and comprehensive tutorials mean that you can start creating stunning visuals right away regardless of your skill level. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker, a game developer, or just someone who loves creating stunning visuals, Image FX has got you covered. The versatility of this tool makes it a valuable asset for any creative project. So what are you waiting for? The future of visual content creation is here, and it's called Image FX AI. Don't miss out on the opportunity to revolutionize your work. Revolutionize your visuals with Image FX AI, transform your content, captivate your audience, and unleash your creativity. The power to create stunning visuals is now at your fingertips. Transform your content, captivate your audience, and unleash your creativity. With Image FX AI, the possibilities are endless and the results are always impressive. Click the link below to get started. Join the revolution and see for yourself how Image FX AI can transform your visual content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing content. Stay tuned for more tips, tutorials, and updates on how to make the most of Image FX AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep creating and stay inspired.